do warm-ups with 135. This is a cheap, I'm going to say GoPro wannabe. It's one of those, $35 Amazon action cams. You know what? I'm going to try and do these backwards because of where I have to place the camera. Hopefully this is getting in frame. Now, since I don't have enough 45s, I'm going to use some 25s here. So this will be adding 425, so I'll be adding 100 pounds instead of the 45, which will only be adding 90 pounds. So instead of 225, this will be 235. Now I'll put my other 45s on. So instead of 315, this will be 325. And the reason is you want the thicker, stronger plates when you're dealing with these bumper plates. The heavier duty plates should be on the outside edge. And since I'll be putting some iron on after this, they won't hit the floor. This is what's going to hit the floor first as the bar flexes. What I need to do is get a couple more 45s. So right now I just have, for each side, 2 45s and then 2 25s. So I have kind of sort of like 3 45s, but bumper plates are too thick. So the additional weights after this will be iron, and as thin as I can find. I might see what they have at Dick's Sporting Goods. That's actually where these are from. They're Ethos. This came in a set. with the bar, and then I get a few additional weights. Like I get an additional set of 45s and an additional set of 25s. Okay, 325. I added 2 more 25s on each side. That brings us up to a total of 425. Hopefully this will all fit in frame. I'm not quite sure exactly how wide this thing goes, and the screen on it is on the back side of the camera, so when I'm looking at the lens I can't see what's in frame and what's not. I'm going to start warm-ups on bench press with just the bar. The 25's on. Now these bumper plates have a very smooth stainless steel insert in the middle, and they're slippery, so they'll slide around in the bar. Iron plates, I normally don't put clamps on, but with these bumpers, you need it. Even though, I don't know if you can hear that, these collars have ridges on it to help stop sliding. But with bumpers, you still need the clamps. 135. $185 for one. This camera's just been sitting around for years because the batteries for it were no good. I found a set of 3 new batteries and a charger on Amazon for, I think it was like 12 bucks. It was dirt cheap. So I got that, and I'm hoping this will work for filming down here. It's a pretty wide angle lens. Even though it's a junk camera, it should be wide enough and be satisfactory for here. Good. 225 and then 5s, so 235. Set number 1. Okay, we're going to do sets of 3 today. One thing about these weights, this bar weighs 47 pounds, and these 45s are an average of 1 pound each overweight. They average 46. So this 235 is actually about 240 or 241. So I just go by what the weights actually say, and I'm going to call it 235, but in reality, I know that's what it is because I can lift more weight in the school gym. These weights are heavier than those. So when I go to the school gym, what I do here with this, I should be able to put 240 on and do the same thing. 235, set number 2. $235, set 3. That set was difficult to complete. My hamstring started cramping up on that. Whew. Took a lot of effort to stay in that set.
For some reason, there was a lot of noise in the recording during this last set. But on this last set, I did 4 reps instead of 3. I'm hoping that this camera worked out okay. I mean, it is, like I said before, a junk camera. It's very cheap, but I think it's the only thing I have that's a wide enough angle to capture the workouts down in the gym. That's going to be it for today. We'll see you back on Thursday.